Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you certain foods that you should avoid during pregnancy that are not considered good for a pregnant woman. These are very common food items that you can eat without knowing their harmful effect. So let's get started. The number one thing is unpasteurized milk and the raw milk without boiling it. Milk is a very good source of vitamin, calcium, but definitely you have to boil it for first time because it not only kills the germs, the bacteria and the listeria which may be present inside it. If you are drinking the milk without boiling it, then it could be harmful for your pregnancy. Boil the milk, cool it down, or drink it warm. Also, you should not drink the refrigerated milk. Drinking too much cold things in pregnancy is not considered good. Number second is do not eat anything that has been kept in the fridge for a long time. Any food item that you have kept it or the leftovers, it should not be stale because these things are not at all good for your digestion. It can also bring food poisoning and definitely they are also not that much nutritious. So avoid it. Third thing you should avoid is extra oily, extra spicy food. They will not only disturb your digestion, you will also face the problem of constipation, acidity, heartburn, gas. So all these problems you should not invite deliberately because it's your pregnancy time and you're already facing lots of problems. Next is caffeine, coffee or the tea. Restrict the coffee to less than 1 cup per day. If you are going for the tea, maximum of 1 cup per day is sufficient or enough for you. If you are over drinking it, then it is not at all good for your pregnancy. During first trimester, better avoid it completely. Fruits you should avoid are papaya, pineapple, black grapes, sapota or the chiku, jackfruit. They are not considered good for your pregnancy and can lead to several problems including miscarriage. You should also avoid the fruits that are having high content of vitamin C at least in your first trimester. So if you are in your first, second and third month, try to avoid the fruits like amla, like Indian gooseberry, lemon, oranges, jackfruit or any other citrus fruit that are having high content of vitamin C. Though vitamin C is important for you, but very high quantity of vitamin C can put you in trouble. Next very common food item that is present in every kitchen is cardamom. That is elaichi in Hindi. So it has got a very hot potency. Try to avoid it at least in the first trimester. You can consume it starting your 4th month of the pregnancy and you should limit its intake. But it is good if you are avoiding it completely. Next item is egg. Definitely egg are very good for your pregnancy. They have all the good things to increase the baby's weight, but it is always advised not to eat raw egg. Raw egg means if you are going for the half fry or if you are making an omelette which you are not cooking properly, it is a raw egg and it can contain the traces of salmonella and which can bring lots of trouble. Even miscarriage could be one of the result or the premature delivery. So always go for the fully boiled egg if you are going for, else you should avoid the raw eggs. Same goes with the non-vegetarian, that is meat. If you are eating it, it should be completely cooked. If it is uncooked or partially cooked, it can contain lots of viruses and the harmful bacteria, germs that could upset your stomach and can even prove fatal for your pregnancy. If you are eating fish, try to select the fish that are having less quantity of mercury, because high content of mercury is not at all good for your immune system, your nervous system and liver. About the junk foods, I would advise you to completely avoid it. So prominently chow mein, noodles, momos, burger, pizza, french fries, they all can bring constipation to you. They are not at all good for your digestion. So if you can restrict it or completely avoid it, will be better for you. During pregnancy, make it sure that you are not eating anything very hot or very cold. If you are eating very hot, it is also not good for you. If you are going for the dry foods, make sure that you have soaked the dry foods in water overnight so as to remove their hotness, and then consume only a palmful of dry fruits mixed together like almonds, raisins, walnuts in the morning. It is very good for you, but make sure that the limit is not crossed. Needless to say, you should not engage yourself in any alcoholic activities. Smoking should be avoided. No alcohol or drugs you should consume during pregnancy. It is highly dangerous for you. So friend, these are the things that are commonly available at home. So this video was just to make you aware of these all items. If you have enjoyed the video, gain the knowledge, consider pressing the like button. If you're coming to the channel first time and you have not subscribed to Health Tricks and Tips in English, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to never miss an update from our channel. We'll connect in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.